Sean Pepe me.
Lewan.
On Pepe yam.
Lewan.
Sean Pepe me.
Lewan.
On Pepe yam.
Next one is
Give me something like Coco. Let me suck, let me go. Open that one, play me, don't do. Let me dance, let me flop. Sean gave me broken heart. I no go ball, I no go ball. Sean fight Jackie Chan. Bruce Lee, Jet Li. Chukwuokpa.
After payment that he came into my so the country called Ghana.
Sean Pepe me, Sean Pepe me, on Pepe yam, ash, on Pepe yam, ash, Sean Pepe me, Sean Pepe me, on Pepe yam, ash, on Pepe yam, ash.
For by a calling concern a day, this may technical director. And Tiachina, Imano, Mana, Ibana, of course.
Look, I'll touch you or something. Come to my party. Get that feelings. Show me something. Get no luncheon.
Edmana, the MC, face challenges with you because by now, initially, in first day in your province with you because now and you'll be entertaining. It's in my boys, once they pay Edma Panda, say stop. I stop for no Makum in Sabi. Tina said that day, and I said, Edman and man, and following day in a starter. But a Libya cosmic kama, and the amount for expect on the very good movie.
Give me something like Coco. Let me suck, let me go. Open that one, play me, don't do. Let me dance, let me flop. Sean gave me broken heart. I no go ball, I no go ball. Sean fight Jackie Chan. Bruce Lee, Jet Li. Chukwuokpa.
It is no because I didn't think I could find a for that. Now, Tata can't go Ghana and Nigeria for that. Senator, that doesn't mean the cast because you're coming to America. And the second, you go to America because if you live in America, but from Ghana, that doesn't matter. And the Ghana volunteer say now, we all here from North America, Kahana easy. So over criticize the movie, as Nimra of Nafi. Now, okay, what you can announce, you here, what you're now to Boa Park. The Ghana Ponyam to any, your Ghana put Bromo Nigeria almost way. I didn't think Pamu. To say you can find Nigeria for bar, Ghana Nigeria, the for BM. The mere from Namco Nigeria near Baha, and your bonnet, and as a mere Sino South African new bar, that doesn't mean that Bonity, among for expected very big.
Would it go? Would it go? Yeah, him, that's a show. Yeah, him, that's a show. Yeah, him, that's a how. Would it go?
Many man and me call to me show beyond my pole. Me share some best meet me and be my steady. Yami go sushirami. Pass mama many and water food be yami. Me masa susi ma share me sapo muso. Tia to say for any so. Yami dada na me dino. Tutu me do crying you.
All right, my name is Victor Osagu. I'm an actor, producer from Nigeria, and I'm working on the set of the country called Ghana here in Kumasi. I'm playing the role of Emeka, and the role of Emeka is he's called the Goons. One of the people is like the Pathfinder, the people that led the white guys to Ghana here on their mission.
Monshe no much there.
Oh na 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 na. Yeah, kwenim na se shewa ube. Yeah, kwenim na se shewa ube. Yeah, kwenim na se hawa.
Beautiful script, beautiful story, beautiful. Why it's so beautiful is because he's talking about the history of the people. It talks about the culture of the people. It talks about the custom of the people. And why I said it's beautiful is because that's the kind of thing that people outside there want to see. That's what they want to hear about. They want to know about their story. They want to know about their culture. They want to know about the tradition. And that's exactly what this script is all about. Well, and the box office is something else. It's going to be a bomb. Of course, I'm sure Ghana have never seen this before. It's going to be something else. Exciting, hair splitting, lip cracking, and of course, jaw breaking.
I mean, me di ma fo me ni obi NDM. Ya me ti we me ni sika. We see me ti we me ni obi a fi se me a me ti we.
The last one is we want to thank Liwine, who is the executive producer, the person who made it possible for us to be part of this production. I want to thank Ghanaians. I want to thank the cast and crew of this particular production. And I want to thank my fellow Nigerians that came with me, Ramsey Noah, Charles Awon, and of course, myself, Sir Victor Usawa. I want to thank myself for coming here. Ghana, Abuaba, for me. For me.
Na ye konesa afiwe yeshane beba sa ita bia wananso wisame kwanso mabwa me danso hada yime tanfo fiebe
Well, me did do agile. We don't have a big net or media industry. A country called Ghana, we are one of the assistant directors and desire scripts. What difference in me say said a bubble for me, and I get you, I dare send you, so not you share there. It's the location say, if you know, be a young, you're very much the way you so a chain, it's the yen and run, and let the as to chain. It's a country called Ghana, the storyline, there I moved to, and I'll share a cast, the crew. Team of production, it tells you say we a Juma special and a historical story. So we put it in our best. Said the way I don't know why even 10 years to come. So before a Juma, you yourself will be proud say we are part of a Juma. It's a country called Ghana. Never be doing more. A man yes support. I think you might be there.
Manya muni manye di atem uye ye ofie ya sem den so yanti mu keso hey
Movie we shoot movie in diverse ways. And casting, we look into so many things. And casting, we don't just cast because of a movie title. No, never be doing the storyline, the marketer, your person, your boom, the person, the movie you could do. You could say standard, your person, the movie you come. And if I hear and our characters and you're calling on one board, and you're around no one. We have then actors with the aid. Now, I do want to call 95% of the characters are Ghanaians, just 5% are Nigerians. So I don't know the reason why people are on our head day in and day out. I don't know for Nigeria. I don't know who I don't know for Ghana for as well. And then also when you first time Nigerians back Ghana about the movie. Then the follow Ghanaians also upon Nigeria to come movie doing and there. It's really a big deal. I don't seem to be a big deal. Well, Museum said we won't disappoint you. The thing was not that we will not disappoint them because over a glory, you're putting in much effort. A lot of want into it. They should expect something big. I think our money budget home, they have and our instrument, that's not so they should expect something big. A country called Ghana, the premier nationwide, the whole of Ghana, maybe I want Ghana piano. Expecting so we have a premiere movie we are a big premiere Nigeria, so we share other online platforms and get me other sources. We are hoping that you get me up to the Apex until we are expecting something big.
Enti jadede Yemu beka biya minti mu case Mu ye fake mu ye fake Wuni a dream pa Mi shewa me ma u face
Tia wuyi wa she Ebe wa she Kubinya sem wa she Ediska bebro wa she Tia wuyi Ebe Konkonsai Enti ebe Mrs.
Wow. That's the man who ready for the book of Ghana. The one of
Munyami hunde de sabe kusanta na amoke me hoye mada ebebo konkonsai enti ebebo mesi susu ndine me wo na mukomu mona moble
What's your Range Rover Raben and the dream when you